Hello everyone, this is Clovis from the Fritz Lab YouTube channel in one more video for you. Today we're going to talk about this gadget. This gadget is capable of showing temperature in degrees Celsius and time, hours and minutes. It does this using a ESP32C3 Super Mini, which is a board you can get on AliExpress for around $3. It uses a TM1637 and a 4-digit 7 segments display, and it uses a LM35 temperature sensor. So let's have a better look at it. So this is the display, the TM1637 display. It's glued together to this circuit board I made myself that has the ESP32C3 Super Mini in it. The LM35 temperature sensor is soldered to the board I made, as well as the TM1637. There are two capacitors in here. These two capacitors are connected to both 5 volts and 3V3 of the ESP32C3 Super Mini. Why? Because this guy has known problems with Wi-Fi connection. It browns out, so its voltage goes down when it tries to connect it to Wi-Fi. So these capacitors are necessary for the board to work, okay? Let me show you a little bit of the code. So right away the function get_time does what it says. So it gets time. So I'm using this time zone DB API /v21 get time zone, and then you have to make a sign up in their website to get a time key. And then you have to select your zone, your city, your state, your country in here. Then it parses, and then it gets, at the end of the day, it gets current date, current hour, and current minute into three variables, three separate variables. What else? So this is most of it. So when it gets to 50, sorry, when it gets to 1, sweep counter is 1. So right at the beginning of the sweep counter, it shows combined time. So it shows time, current hour, current minute, and then after 50 counts, which means 5 seconds, it shows LM35 temperature. Also the symbol degrees and the letter C as well. So as I said, this gadget is capable of showing temperature and time. The time is fetched from an API on the internet. The temperature is, it gets from an LM35, which is right here. It's a nice project to make. I made this project in one afternoon myself, so it was a quick project. I hope you guys like it. If you want to have more information about this, go to fritzenlab.net. Again, fritzenlab.net. There you're going to find schematics, code, everything, pictures, everything you need to replicate this project. See you guys in the next few videos.